What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So are you interested in leveraging YouTube analytics in order to improve your YouTube channel? Of course you are, because you're here. So I feel as though I can help you out with this. I am a financial analyst, that's my occupation, so I analyze things. So what I'm gonna do is take you through my analytics for a video and show you how I plan on improving and the steps I'm gonna take. So if you are a small YouTube channel, you definitely want to stay tuned and stay engaged, because I'm going to take you through all of my steps, exactly how I'm going to break it down, and you'll be able to improve views, you'll be able to improve watch time, and a ton of other things. So definitely stay tuned. So before I get into all the analytics, definitely consider hitting that like button, because it's going to take me quite some time to create this video, and for you it's going to take you less than a second in order to hit that like button. So go down there and hit that like button. I'll give you a second or two. All right. Also consider hitting that subscribe button, because I'm doing a giveaway of 2 Amazon gift cards when I hit my 1,000 subscriber mark. So definitely stay tuned for that. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button. So like I said, I'm going to go into my analytics for one video, show you where the flaws are, where the problems are, and then I'm going to tell you how I'm going to fix them. So I'm giving you a lot of information here. I'm actually letting you go into my analytics, see all of my numbers. I mean, they're not large numbers. This video is intended for small YouTubers, small YouTube channels. So if you're not a small YouTuber and you're watching, you can continue watching. I appreciate it. Thank you. But it's not really for you. It's for those people who don't know how to use YouTube analytics. So I'm not going to waste any more time. We're going to dive right into it, and hopefully I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay, so what I want to do is go through one of my videos, show you as much information as possible, and hopefully you can get a lot from it to improve your videos. Because I'm going to go through what's wrong with this video and then how I'm going to improve it. And then hopefully you can look at these things and say, this is what I need to look at. This is what I need to look at. Because if you're a small YouTuber, you need some type of advantage over the bigger YouTubers with larger amounts of engagement. So as you can see here, I have the American Express Black Card video. My watch time for this video was 1K basically. I also had 370 views and gained 7 subscribers. So it's not that bad. You gain subscribers, it's better than 0. You have views, it's better than 0. You have watch time, it's better than 0. But how can you improve on that? Is it really where it's supposed to be? So for this chart, you can really look at how you trend compared to average or typical in this period. So obviously I'm doing better than I typically do, but with a video that's more of a home run, when I see other people who post this, and I understand they have higher engagement, but I see people who post this who don't have high engagement and still get more views than I got. This is where I'm questioning something that I did. So I look at this, but I don't take this to heart. The thing that I do look at is audience retention. I have 3 minutes of audience retention, and this is better than a lot of my other videos. My other videos hover around 2 minutes. Sometimes it's less than that. So I just want to know how many people are finishing my videos, how many people are getting through the middle, and how can I improve these like seconds over here. So if someone's coming into my video and leaving in 14 seconds, what's going on there? Why? Is it something that I said? Did I not hook them the right way? So I need to figure this portion out everywhere from up to a minute. What did I say in that point that I can improve upon? So this is something that I really look at, because I want them to watch more of my video. One, because I'm trying to get to the 4,000 hours of watch time. And if I had an 8-minute video and each person watched 8 minutes, I would get a lot more watch time, obviously. So there's another section that I wanted to look at. This is something that I look at often, but I also have another section that I look at more because of the fact that I'm having those problems and I'm finding my problems there. So if we look at the Reach Viewers tab, we're gonna see impressions, click-through rate, views, unique viewers. These are the 2 that I focus on, the impressions. If I have 3K impressions, I expect to have like 20% of those impressions view my video, but that's not the case. I have 3K impressions and I have 370 views. So that's not a good look. That means that when they're viewing my thumbnail, they're saying, you know what? Nope, I don't want to, let me scroll past this. And that's not what I want. I want them to click my thumbnail. I want them to watch my video. This whole entire chart is another section that I look at, because I can look at a video and go, on the first day I had 196 impressions, right? How many views did I have for that? So if I look back here, I had 40 views for the first day out of 196, which is not bad, but it's not great. It's not good either. So I want people clicking on my videos, and if I can't get them to click on my videos, then that means there's something wrong with the initial point, the impression that I'm making. So that's a big section that I look at, and as the days go on, I look at more information and see how many impressions are there. A big section that I look at is this section, because I'll see the actual breakdown of impressions. I'll have 3K impressions and I'll have 237 views out of the impressions. So this is where that 7.9% is coming from, if you did your math on my actual views. So the views are actually less on the 3K impressions. And then I have 664 watch time. So the thing is, they're watching my videos at 3 minutes. I'm fine. The people that are watching the videos. It's just the impression that I'm making, it's not working for them. So that's a big section that I look at right now, because of the fact that I want to make a good impression. I want them to click on my videos. When it comes to the traffic source, I post on Facebook and Instagram all the time, so I know that I'm going to get traffic from there every time I post a video. Google search, I'm a little surprised about. I didn't know that people were searching for that on Google and clicking on my video. That's great to know. So another section that I look at is the suggested videos, the traffic source. I would like to see more of my videos on here, but I'm definitely happy with other videos, because of the fact that if other people are watching other videos and they come back to my video to see something new, then I'm happy. You know, that means that I'm saying something that they didn't say. The part that I look at is the traffic source for YouTube search, because I want to know, do I have the right tags in there? Are they looking for these tags? And this is what they searched, you know, American Express Black Card, Centurion Card, and so on and so forth. And I'm happy that I'm able to put tags in there that they will be able to search my videos, find my videos, and watch my videos. So this makes me happy, but I also like to dig into every single situation, because with something that's good, there's always something that's bad. So I really just look at these two, because I want to be able to fix the problems step by step, not a huge to where I'm taking on 5 different things and trying to fix 5 different things at once. You need to fix something well and then move on to the next thing, because it will take you less time to focus on one thing than if you focused on 5. So this is why I only look at these 2 when it comes to analytics. But the problem that I'm showing here is the fact that people aren't clicking on my videos. So they're seeing my videos, they're not clicking on it. If you looked at my overall account for all my videos, the amount of impressions I have and the amount of views that I have, you wouldn't be pretty surprised at this point, because I'm telling you what's the problem. But you would have been surprised if you didn't know any of this information before. So I need to create better thumbnails. This is my solution. I need to create better thumbnails. This thumbnail needs to go, and I need to create something better. I'm using something that I can create custom thumbnails, but it's not giving me the best output. So I need to figure this out, get a software, or find something that I can build a better thumbnail, because that's the problem. They're not clicking on my videos. So before I end this video, I'm gonna go into my overall account and show you what the impressions are like for my overall account. So obviously I had a lot of success for the amount of views that I had, because I was just grinding, really. I was trying to talk to friends, get them to subscribe. I also gained a bunch from different videos, and I posted on social media constantly. So I gained a ton of subscribers in the last 90 days. This is what I'm looking at, 90 days. This is my watch time. I had 11.5 watch time, which could have been more, and I had 4.9K views. So I understand all of this information here, and it looks really good, especially the subscriber number. So I'm really happy about that. Thank you guys for subscribing. I really appreciate it. If you can hit that like button, it would be great. But if we look at the reach viewers, we have 47K impressions, and we have 5.4 click-through rate. That's really low. That means that people aren't clicking on my videos. They're seeing the thumbnails, but they're not clicking on them. I need to make sure that they click on these. I need to get thousands of views, but I can't because I'm not creating quality thumbnails. I'm not creating that clickbait quality. It doesn't have to be like full clickbait. I mean, like just basically like a bait, so they can come in and say, I really wanted to know about the American Express Black Card, but I see 7 thumbnails here. Who do I pick? Not you. That's what I don't want. I want them to pick me. I want them to select my video, watch my video, and then give me a like at the end. So it's not just about views. It's about what impression you're making. It's just like in real life. You need to make a good first impression so people will like you and want to talk to you after that. Not saying you need to fake yourself, but if people aren't engaged from the start, then it's not good. So I need them to click on my video, so I'm gonna be creating new thumbnails. I don't know if I'm gonna create new thumbnails for my older videos. I might do it for some of the more successful older videos, but it just disappoints me every time I look at this number here. But I have a way to fix it, and I'm gonna find a way to improve upon it, and I'm gonna do a follow-up video. So if you look at it, YouTube analytics can be a big part on your success. So if you don't know how to use YouTube analytics, I really appreciated that you watched this whole video, but you definitely want to dive in for yourself because everybody's situation is definitely different. So all I'm doing is giving you a starting point on what you need to look at and then move on from there. Because the more you dive in, the more you find, the more you can fix. In my case, I just really need to fix my thumbnail so people can come through and say, oh, I want to click on this video. And the more clicks I get, the more likes I get, the more comments I get, the more I'm recommended, the more I'm suggested, things like that. And if I am, then my videos start to increase in views and increase in watch time. So there's a lot to look at when it comes to your YouTube account. And don't think that it's just gonna be very easy that you just create something and go from there, because it's difficult. It's not necessarily a 40-hour work week like you're working your regular job. You may spend 2-3 hours a day, maybe less than that, going through these numbers. But if you spend more time going through the numbers and fixing the problems, then you're gonna be on your way. If you can improve your account to go from 100 views to 1,000 views and from 1 minute of watch time to 5 or 10 minutes of watch time, then you're definitely gonna be on your way to getting a ton of money in ad revenue. And I don't have that. I don't have monetization. I get no money for the videos that I'm posting. I love to post videos. They're nothing but fun to me. I love to speak to people. I love to talk to people about stocks and everything like that. So I figured I would make videos, but why not get something in return? So if I can analyze my own stuff and figure this out and end up being successful, then you can too. So let me just end this video here. I feel like it's going a bit long. I really appreciate everybody who made it to this point. If you have any questions, if you want to talk about something, definitely shoot me a comment down below. Hit that like button. I know I said it before, but it really helps me out. So definitely consider hitting that like button. Also, if you could subscribe, because I'm doing a giveaway of 2 Amazon gift cards when I hit my 1,000 subscriber mark. I'm very close, so put your name in the hat. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button. But until next time, I'll see you guys later.